Hey, this is our third experiment out of 7, or out of 6, and we're going to be using dry ice, water, and soap for this experiment. And
I have to do a safety briefing, and we only have one set, so one of us is going to go out. Rachel volunteered. So, no. You need gloves, safety goggles, and adult supervision at all times when handling with dry ice. It is ranged from negative 40 degrees Celsius to negative 110. It will burn your limbs off in a few seconds. Now, it's not like a hot burn, it's a cold one and it hurts. So, I have to use safety precautions. Rachel can't go because she doesn't have her stuff. So, what we're going to do first is, Rachel can do this one, we're going to put soap in the water, okay? Okay. So, we're going to do 2 beakers because I don't have a big one, so we're going to do 2. Make sure not to spill anything, it's kind of messy. And the end product is going to be total amazing. And like that, it's going to be something like that. So, I'm going to have her back away, safety gear on, adult supervision. So, what we need now is the famous dry ice. Now, dry ice is different from regular ice. It's frozen carbon dioxide. Okay, in a few seconds, this can burn. I need to break it. So, we're going to probably have to get maybe a hammer or some tongs. But even with gloves on, I can burn myself. Very harsh. So, we're going to wait. Rachel's in the area it takes us to break it. Right now we don't have them. And I'm going to talk to you about why this is a chemical reaction. So, the end product of what we're going to do is, this is frozen carbon dioxide. Thank you. And so we're going to use this to break stuff. Or to break that. And what we do is we put it inside. And what it's going to do is just something extraordinary. And it's so amazing. It's such a cool experiment. I love it. I've done it many times. I've seen it. And it is just super fun for their family. But you must have safety gear. Safety, safety, safety. Okay? So I'm going to start the experiment. I'm going to have to break the dry ice down here because it's going to melt. It's going to freeze this and it's going to be annoying. Right now you can see I'm having troubles breaking the dry ice. It's cold as heck. Okay. Now, I got a piece here. Really cold. We're gonna put it in. Now guys, watch this happen. We got bubbles. This is a cool bubble. They're warm. And look. Smoke. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, if you want to join in, it's so amazing. It makes some of the smoke. I'm going to grab another pieces to make it look cool. Okay. And there we have a second one. So amazing. As you can see, this is very warm. So do not ingest it. It's not regular bubbles. Or it's thick like a foam. It's amazing. It's like fun for all ages. It's so amazing. So you do need dry ice, and dry ice is found at grocery stores. Okay, I found it the hard way. It was so hard to get it. But so fun! So what happens? Well, you might be asking, how is this possible? So, let me close up my stuff here, and I'll explain in a little while. Rachel, right now, will explain the basics of what it is and how it's happening.
so, this is basically just dry ice mixed with dish soap and water. And in the process of what happens, the dry ice has a chemical reaction with the soap and the water. If you have seen dry ice mixed with water, it's just smoke. So when you add in the soap, it adds bubbles, and that's what happens.
Yeah, so dry ice is carbon dioxide. I already said that. So what happens is when it melts, it is naturally, it doesn't go to liquid because it's frozen gas. And gas, we know, is slightly warmer than room temperature water. And so the room temperature water melts the ice. The carbon dioxide, which this is carbon dioxide right now, the smoke that's coming out is carbon dioxide. I'm sorry, this is so fun to play with. Everyone's gonna love it. Oh god. And so, if you fix that, please.
Fix. Oh,
So what happens is, this is very annoying.
yeah, the table's messed up.
The table's messed up. I'm sorry. So what is happening is it's melting, and the carbon dioxide is going up. While it's going up, the dish soap is kind of like catching it, like you're making a bubble, and it comes out like this. But when you break it, it becomes carbon dioxide. It's a perfect state of matter changing. Perfect way. Sublimation. I forgot the next one. We'll in another video we'll talk about that. So, and right now, I'm just gonna say, have fun with it. Okay, and it will keep on going until there is no more dry ice in it. Okay, so we're gonna have this for a while. You can see, I don't want to spill it, but the dry ice is melting. Okay, it's that little thing right there. It's melting.
You can see it very well.
Okay? You see it? That's dry ice. It is melting in the room temperature water, turning into carbon dioxide. We're getting way too far off track. So, I'm going to have to end it here. We're going to go do another experiment, and you'd be surprised at what it is.